Hello, I'm going to compare Find versus Perplexity versus ChatGPT, which chatbot development tool is better. So these platforms all use LLMs to power AI assistants. Find is optimized for coding queries. Perplexity focuses on real-time search Q&A, and ChatGPT offers the most customizable chatbot experiences. Pros: Find excellent for developer-focused chatbots, especially code generation and technical search. Perplexity real-time web search integration makes it great for fact-based Q&A bots. ChatGPT most versatile, supports plugins, custom instructions, memory, and fine-tuning for nearly any user case. Cons: Find less suited for non-technical or general-purpose bots. Perplexity limited customization, mainly a search Q&A tool development framework. ChatGPT can be overkill for simple bots and requires more setup for custom workflows. So in conclusion, if you want developer-focused chatbot help, Find is ideal. For search-based answering, Perplexity shines. For building customizable AI chatbots, ChatGPT remains the most powerful and flexible choice overall.